Welcome to configuring your system for developing DataFlex web applications. In this video we will show you how to configure your system with the help of DataFlex Web App Check. For this demonstration we used a freshly installed system and we already downloaded the following components: the DataFlex Studio installer, the optional rewrite module, and the DataFlex Web App Check tool. Don't worry, you can find the download links in the notes below this video. So let's get started. Let's start the DataFlex Studio installer and run the pre-installer version of DataFlex Web App Check. And as you can see, a lot is missing. The core components of the IIS web server aren't installed. Port 80 seems to be closed, and this would make sense because there isn't a web server running. And it gives a warning about the non-interactive desktop heap size. So let's get our system ready for the DataFlex Studio environment. First open Programs and Features. After Programs and Features have opened, select Turn Windows Features on or off. Select and open Internet Information Services. Scroll down and open Web Management Tools. Select IIS 6 management compatibility and verify if IIS Metabase and IIS 6 configuration compatibility is selected. You also need the IIS Management Console if you want to manage IIS locally. Now scroll down and open World Wide Web Services. Open Application Development and Features and select ASP. And as you can see, ISAPI extensions are selected automatically. We have a couple of more IIS settings. Let's just take a look at them and see if we have to change or add more features. Scroll down and open Common HTTP features and leave those as default. Open Health and Diagnostics and leave everything as default. Scroll down and open Performance features. Scroll down and open Security. And just leave everything as default. Press OK to start the installation. After installing IIS, let's first run DataFlex Web App Check. That looks better, but we still have to perform the following steps. We have to set our application pool mode to 32-bit. Optionally, we can install the IIS rewrite module, and we have to increase the size of the desktop heap. First, we are going to set the default app pool to enable 32-bit applications. Start the Internet Information Services Manager. Select the Applications pool node and select the default app pool. Select Advanced Settings and double-click Enable 32-bit applications to set it on True. Let's continue by installing the Rewrite module. While DataFlex doesn't depend on the URL rewriter, it is a powerful module which makes it possible for web administrators and developers to create powerful rules that are easier for users to remember and makes your site easier for search engines to find. Let's start regedit to adjust the size of the desktop heap. The desktop heap will limit the total number of processes you can run and therefore the total number of spawned processes on a single server. While 768 KB might be enough for a desktop system, it may be beneficial to increase the non-interactive desktop heap size on your web server system to allow more processes. To adjust the heap size, we have to change the Windows registry. We have to go to the following registry branch and edit the Windows key. Please refer to KB1158 for more information. Now if we run the Studio installer and rerun DataFlex Web App Check, we see that all icons are green and we are ready to install the DataFlex Studio. Now the DataFlex is installed, let's try if our WebOrder sample application works by running it from the DataFlex Studio. And as you can see, the sample application is working successfully. Our job is done. Today you have seen how to configure your system for DataFlex Web Development. You had to perform the following steps. configure your system with the help of DataFlex Web App Check, install DataFlex and verify if the application works. If you find our videos helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will always be up to date. See you next time!